I've just learned about a really great way to share YouTube videos to students in a safer, ad-free way, and I wanted to share. In any YouTube video, of course, when you take students to YouTube, there's a lot of videos over to the right, ads that pop up beforehand. A very easy way to share these back out to students in a safer way is to come up to the URL and where it says you, backspace over that and type 613. When you do that, it will give you the video and no ads and no distractions to the right. This is it. This is your new URL that you can share out, and it'll take you directly to the video. There is also a 613tube.com website that you could safely search for YouTube videos. But for any video, you don't even have to use this. You just type in the 613 instead of the word you, and it'll take you directly to that video. As a side note, this video is from Richard Byrne, who is a great technology educator follow, so I'd recommend him. Good luck.